Today we will be working on lines, angles, and triangles, page 4C, page 1. Our directions is to fill in the blank with the correct term, then create an illustration or give an example to show that you understand the meaning of the term. So they give us a whole bunch of terms here or definitions. We have to find the word, the vocabulary word that goes with that definition, and then we have to illustrate an example of it. All right, so we can use the word bank and our notes to help us out. So these are the notes, which you have these notes, and we can use this word bank. So we're going to do the first two together, and then the rest you will complete on your own. So the first one says blank, a line that has only one endpoint. So we know they're talking about a line, a type of line. So I can go here, or a line, something with a line. So ray, I know the ray is a line. Angle is not a line. It's actually two rays together. And acute triangle is not a line, so it can't be that. Obtuse angle, that's actually an angle. It has two lines together, so it can't be that one. Intersecting lines, obtuse triangle, perpendicular lines, perpendicular, point. All of these are not one line. This is one line. So the line, I know that might be it. Right angle, line segment could be it, or vertex. Now we go back here. It says it has only one endpoint. I know a line doesn't have an endpoint. It goes on forever in both directions. So it can't be line. Line segment has two endpoints. So it can't be that one. We're looking for one endpoint. I know ray has one endpoint, and then it goes on forever in one direction. So I think it might be a ray. So if I look at our notes and I look for ray, a ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and continues without end in one direction. So that sounds like our definition over here. A line that has only one endpoint. So this is a ray. A ray is a line that has only one endpoint, and I would draw it like this. A ray. And I can name this ray JL. So we did the first one. So we found the term that goes there, ray, and we illustrated it. That's ray JL. So let's go to number 2. Two rays with a common endpoint. So I know rays look like this. Now two rays put together with a common endpoint, that means this is going to be the same. That forms an angle. So the second vocabulary word is an angle. So I know that angles are two rays that share one endpoint. So this one would be angle. An angle is two rays that share a common endpoint. And we'll name this one angle K. And that's how you do this portion of this worksheet. So you just finish the rest of them. You can use your word bank and your notes to complete the rest of page 1. So all the way to 10. Now we're going to go to page 2. Lines, angles, and triangles, page 2. Here you only have 2 questions. Read the question and do what is asked of you. And then you go to page 3. It's the same thing. You just have to read this, find the correct answer. And that's it. That's what we'll be doing today.